You can look at all of a player's swing data by using the History section of the app located on the home page or on the top left menu. The ensuing page shows the player's data grouped by session and organized by date with the most recent swings on top. Selecting a session will take you to a screen listing all of the swings in that session. You can cycle through all of the sessions taken on a given date by using the arrows at the top. To deep dive into a particular swing, press the diamond associated with it. The following screen shows the summary metrics for that particular swing. These metrics are calculated by comparing the player's underlying metrics to the average for those scores in their chosen skill level. They range from 1 to 10, a score above 5 indicating a relative strength, and a score below 5 indicating a relative weakness. You can change the chosen skill level using the bar at the bottom of the page. You can press the flag button to mark a swing to make it easier to find later, and the delete swing button to remove a swing from a player's history. To further analyze a player's swing, use the bottom right menu. The Details option will bring up the detailed metrics for the power, speed, quickness, and control. You can bring up the charts for a specific metric by pressing the square with the name of that metric. You can cycle through the summary metrics by pressing the arrows surrounding the current summary chart. You can bring up a swing's 3D view by again going to the bottom right menu and selecting 3D view. Press the play button in the middle of the screen to play the rendering of the chosen swing. The blue region of the swing path is a visual representation of the distance in the zone metric. The red area is the point of impact in the swing. You can pinch and zoom to change the viewing angle, or press the I button on the right side of the screen to switch between preset views. Pressing Compare Swings brings up a list of other swings in that session you can compare your current swing to. Your current swing will be drawn in green, and the compared swing will be a brown-orange color. Rotating the phone will bring up a side-by-side comparison of the 3D view. The same functionality exists in the side-by-side view that exists in the single view. For instance, in all views, you can use the stopwatch to move bats to the point of impact in the swing. When using the Compare Swings button in side-by-side view, you can also compare your swing to any swing you have previously flagged in addition to all of the swings from the current session. Side-by-side swing compare, rotate your phone back to horizontal. Again, using the bottom right menu, you can find the focus view. The focus view will show up to 4 metrics you are currently focusing on and will show you how these metrics change from swing to swing or from session to session. You can change the metrics you are focusing on by selecting the pencil in the center of the screen. Select the drop-down arrow beside the name of the metric you are changing, and then select the new metric you would like to focus on. When finished, press the pencil again to save your changes. An important thing to keep in mind: whichever metrics you choose on this screen will dictate which metrics are shown in the Performance section of the app. To see a player's performance view, you can return to the home page and use this button, or use the button found in the top left menu. In Performance, selecting any point in the graph will show you the underlying data at that point for each of the chosen focus metrics. You can change the date range of the data by selecting the drop-down menu below the graphs. Select the arrows in the bottom right of a graph to look at a magnified version of that particular graph. Select the arrows again to return to the original view.